need a certain code when the world must come together as one. There are people dying, oh, it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will soon make a change. We are all a part of God's great big family, and the truth, you know, love is all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. They're the choice we're making. We're saving our lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me. Ooh, send in your heart, so they know that someone cares, and their lives will be stronger and free, as God has shown us by turning storms to bread. And so we all must lend a helping hand. We are the world, we are the world, are the children, the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. They're the choice we're making. We're saving our lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me. We're standing now, it seems no hope at all. But if you just believe, there's no way we can fall. It's realize that a change can only come when we stand together as one. We are the world, we are the world, we are the children, we are the children, we are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. They're the choice we're making. We're saving our lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me. We are the world, we are the world, we are the children, we are the children, we are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. They're the choice we're making. We're saving our lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me. We are the world, we are the children, ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. They're the choice we're making. We're saving our lives. It's true, make a better day, just you and me. We are the world, we are the world, we are the children, the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. They're the choice we're making. We're saving our lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me. We are the world, we are the world, we are the children,